At this moment, I would like to welcome you to Monday Scholars Academy. So basically, Monday Scholars Academy, this is where excellency is produced through knowledge. At Monday Scholars Academy, we believe that education is the most powerful tool for transforming lives and communities. Our channel is basically dedicated to providing students, parents, as well as other educators with valuable resources, insights, and inspiration to achieve academic excellence and holistic personal growth. Therefore, our lessons follow the Zambian standard for grade 12, GCE, and other examination classes. Okay, we will basically be teaching these the following subjects. We currently offer the following programs: academic support for primary and secondary school levels, subject specific tutorials such as mathematics, biology, English, chemistry, physics, as well as science. So we'll also be doing exam preparation marathons. So if you want your child to excel, you want your child to have the integrity, the excellency, the innovative mind, and as well as help the community, you may as well enroll your child. Okay, so currently we are enrolling just 50 kwacha per course, per subject, and it's online. You don't need to walk or anywhere, but we also offer physical classes at this point. So today we'll just give you a hint on paper 1. This is the 2024 paper 1 GCE. So we'll start solving slowly but sure. We'll get there. Today we'll start with question 1. Okay, so let's begin with the 2024. So you can enroll or call on this number here. Okay, you can call on 0970948408 or 0973648262. These are the numbers you can use. If you've got MTN, you can use 0767584709. These are the numbers you can use to call us, and make sure that you get your child that spot, that place which is going to make your child excel, pass these exams. Okay, we offer tuitions for internal, external, even grade 8s, grade 9s, but more especially the GCE and the grade 12s. Okay, so let's begin with this paper 1. This is paper 1 2024, the GCE. Okay, so today we'll begin with this question that says evaluate. Okay, so this is question 1. It says evaluate 8 over 27 power 2 over 3. So such questions, these are basically indices. Okay, these are basically indices, and you need to know the laws of indices in order to solve such questions. So the way you approach these questions in particular, is you need to understand that, okay? You need to understand certain laws of indices. And one of the laws that you need to understand is that if you have x as a power like that, x power half, this is the same as square root of x, okay? If you have x power 1 over 3, this is the same as the cube root of x. If you have, for example, a over b, this is the same as x b there power a, okay? Power a here, right? So you need to understand these laws here, okay? Now, in order for you to understand these laws here, in order for you to solve this question rather, you need to understand these same laws, okay? These laws here, these are quite simple, they are quite understandable. Now, other laws that you need to understand is that you need this law here. You need, if for example you have x and y here like that, and there's a over b here, this is the same as x over y here like that, then a over b, again a over b, which is the same as x like that, b hit there power a over y like that, b there power a. These are laws that you need to take care of, okay? Very, very important in order to solve indices. Now let's solve our question knowing and understanding this question here, okay? So our question is like this: 8 over 27. Now using the other law, okay? So we have 8 over 27 power 2 over 3. This is the solution. So we have 8, you do that, power 3 power 2 there over 27 power like that. This is 3 here and 2. So now this becomes, here you need a number that you can multiply 3 times to get 8. And we already know if you do 2 times 2 times 2, this is equals to 8. So basically the number is 2, okay? So here we will have 2, this is where it goes, we have 2 over the number that you can multiply 3 times to get 27 is 3 itself, but it will be squared here as well as here to be squared because of these squares here. So the answer will be equal to 4 over 9. Basically that is the answer, okay? Therefore we're done.